Hey guys, Tim and Shana from Punk Rope. Thanks for joining us. We're going to go over a little drill we call backwards side swing, and jump, or backward swing and jump for short. Just to reiterate the forward swing, jump, which is one of our favorite drills. You're doing a side swing to each side and then the rope opens. Side swing to each side, the rope opens. And you're going to determine how you want to open the rope. For some people, they're going to take their left hand from their right hip and bring it to the left side. For other people, they're going to take their right hand from the left hip and bring it to the right side. Either way, you're creating a loop that you can jump through. So that's all well and good, but going backwards requires a little bit more coordination, a little bit better body awareness, because I don't know about you guys, but we don't have eyes in the back of our heads. So the backward side swing looks a little bit more like, we're not going to get sued, we hope, like a Jedi with a lightsaber. So it's not quite backwards in the sense of it going towards the back wall behind Shana. It's almost a little bit to the side and back. So let's do this from profile, and I'm going to try to close in a little bit on Shana's hands. Not sure if that's helping you guys or not. There's a double backward side swing. I'm gonna zoom out again. And let's get it from the front, because I think that's maybe the better way. So let's see if we can go slow with this swing going back. It's almost like you're tossing, yeah, it's like you're tossing something over your shoulder. I was going to say a baby, but that's not very nice. You don't want to throw a baby over your shoulder. But maybe, you know, like a laundry bag. Take that laundry bag over your shoulder. Yeah, don't whack yourself. And the other shoulder. Okay, so that's the side swing portion. Then you've got to make that decision after one swing to each side. How are you going to open the rope? So let's just see how Shana does it instinctively. She's got side swing left, right, open. Left, right, okay. So we can see she likes to take her left hand across to her right hip and then opens up to the left side. Now the tricky part is the rope then, when she's opening, is going behind. It's going over her head towards her heels, and she has to time that jump instinctively. Boom. If she's too early on the jump, let's make a mistake on purpose, boom, that's what's going to happen. So if you jump prematurely, there's very little chance of being successful with this. You have to be patient. Side swing, open. Side swing, open. Good. Yeah, it's hard to go slow. And you know what? One last angle, guys. One last angle. I'm going to have Shana face the wall, face away from us. Nope. Straight ahead. There you go. And now you'll get a sense of when she jumps. Side swing, jump. Jump. Look at that patience. That's awesome. And now it's probably hard for Shana to see, but it also shows us there's a little variation in how much space she has to the left side and the right side of her foot. And that has to do with how she opens the rope, which is fine. Just an observation. Just an observation. So, guys, that's the backwards side swing and jump, or
probably more
backwards.
Job with it.
Yeah, I think you can turn around now. There you go. Anyway, it's just a little move that we've been playing with lately, and we're so accustomed to going forward, and so many people in today's society are, you know, they're so protracted. They're shoulders are kind of hunched over. They're working on computers and phones, and it's nice to take something in the opposite direction. It opens up your chest, it challenges your brain, it challenges your timing and coordination. So thanks for joining us, guys. Go ahead, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, jot them down below, and we'll see you next time.